We are going to make momo. Yeah, it's recording. So yeah. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, it's a new day. So today we are going to make momo. I'm in my kitchen right now with my mom and we are going to make momo. So yeah, I'm not sure कसरी जान्छ यो vlog चाहिँ सानो हुन्छ कि ठुलो हुन्छ थाहा छैन. We are making almost everything. Obviously, हामी गएर we'll cut the onions and other stuff. And this is किमासँग mix गर्नुपर्छ, मसला ससला के हुन्छ सबै गर्नुपर्छ. And पासङजीले मलाई रेसिपी के पठाउनु भएको छ त्यही अनुसार गर्ने भनेको सोच्छ, but I don't know how it will turn out. So yeah, let's do that first and त्यसपछि we can talk. You won't see me crying often. Yeah. So I know many of you in your home are trying to like experiment with a lot of things like cooking and all. Obviously we are doing the same thing. We are cooking momo for the first time. So I don't know how it will turn out, but let's hope it will turn out something like good. I had a little bit of idea. Last time when we made momo chorus time ma chorus ko vlog haru हेरेर छैन भने go and check it out. त्यहाँ पनि छ हामीले स्टल खोलेको थियो त्यहाँ बेला चाहिँ मोमो बनाएको त्यसको लाइक त्यसको चाहिँ हल्का आइडिया थियो कि सो द्याट्स द थिङ. अनि थ्याङ्क्स टु पासाङ दिदी एन्ड निप्सा त्यहाँले चाहिँ हेल्प गरेको मलाई साइडमा कन्भर्सेसन होला यो स्टेप फलो गऱ्यो भने वी क्यान मेक मोमो. आई थिङ्क यु विल सी द सिनेमेटिक शट राइट नाउ इज इट नाउ ए नाउ जस्ट
स्टिल गरेको के काँचो पनि नुन थपम तेल र नुन राखेको थियो है
के बनाउनु भयो रे
किमा बनाए भट्टको अचार बनाए बेल्न लाग्छु
अनि त्यो बनाउँदा कतिचोटि गराउनु पर्यो
करा छैन म कतै यस्तो गरेर आएको के निजलले यही करा छ
के भने
पानी लगायो नि छुछुमा पानी लगाउनुपर्छ क्या
नेक्स्ट पेरियड राख्नु पर्छ
यो बनास तेल बिगाउनु त्यहाँ हेर झन् बाबाले नि त्यहाँ छन्
यो पातलो बनाएको
हेर त्यहाँ देखिस् यस्तो बनाउँछ पानी लगाएर पर्दैन तपाईँ जानु गर्न गराउनु चाहिँ त्यसमा पर्दैन भयो.
This look not bad. अगरवाल हुनुपर्ने Okay, first set done.
By far the best. Second set to done. Looking all bit better.
अब चाहिँ यस्तो बन्छ
हो राम्रो हुँदो रहेछ
सक्नुहुन्छ खै के छ के न के छ
भएन
गिलो छ
चम्चा लिनु न चम्चा लिएर खानुहुन्छ त्यो चम्चा लिनु सक्नु न तपाईँले पनि सबै अगाडि टकाएर दिनुपर्छ कि तपाईँले
छैन
मिठो छ के
होइन भित्र टेस्टी मिल्छ
यो एक प्लेटको कति पैसा दिनुहुन्थ्यो
250 रुपियाँ ठुलो प्लेट छ
पहिला खानुहोस् के
खाँदा खाएको छु अरे
किन यस्तो भएछ के
यस्तो मोमो छ
आज बाबालाई खाना नदिने खानिदिने भने साँझ खाना नखाने नि त
भयो छोडिदिनु त्यो अब बनाएर कहाँ
नखाने
अनि
failure. Today means our total failure.
So thank you, very nice vlog for watching my guys. I love me all.
We are going to wrap up. So that's the vlog, I think so, because we couldn't make a proper momo. Obviously it was an experiment, miserably failed, trying to like help out my tongue right now with some dahi. So obviously you can feel how it turned out to be. So yeah, that was a failure, although we'll make something good in future. That was our... Okay, you thought that was the end of the vlog, but no, it is not. I'm not giving up that easily. So yeah, this is day 2. We are trying again to make momos. Momos? What? I'm saying momos. Lord, India ko bhasha. Anyways, momo. We are trying to make momo. No, India will say momos. Momos. Well, यो चाहिँ हाम्रो लास्ट चान्स हो obviously. We won't give up on that. This is our last chance. We have to make it. हैन आज चाहिँ we are trying for the second time. This is second day, day 2, and we have done a little bit of like consulting, a little bit of research, a little bit of modification, right? And we are making momo once again. So last time say masala ekdam धेरै भयो हैन के garlic के something हैन के धेरै भयो के and I learned how to make I learned भन्दा नि I saw on YouTube कसरी त्यो के रे how to के भन्छ त्यसलाई के भन्छ okay how to make golo golo how to roll momos yeah and so yeah, I'm trying it again, so yeah, just bear it with me, and I hope this time it turns out something good, so that I can enjoy. अरूको स्टोरीमा हालेको मोमो हेर्दाखेरि it was like
एक प्लेट सफर के छ
Huh?
So? हिजो भन्दा पनि भिडियो छ त्यही त हिजो त मसला नै अति भयो
फर्स्ट राउन्ड भनिसक्यो आई हेभन टेस्टेड प्रपरली बाबालाई र त्यहाँ गाड्दै दिइसक्यो अब हामीले अरू सब बनाएर भ्याएर हामी टेस्ट आई थिङ्क इट्स गुड हेर्दै नि थाहा हुन्छ यत्रो देखेको छ भने यत्रो छ भने I'm getting good at this.
Damn, doesn't it look good? Ball pro is go. We are done. Done. This is the last one. We are done.
We are done. Suck this up. I'm trying it. I think it's good.
I think it's good. Right? Let's try. First ma chutney naraखेर है
मिठो छ भने हल्का जुसी छैन
Yeah. So yeah, that's what it was. Eating my stuff.
हल्का ड्राई छ होइन बट इट्स गुड क्या आई गिभ यु लाइक 7 आज पनि फ्लपै हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्यो बट थ्याङ्क गुडनेस हिजोको खाएको त फर्स्ट बाइट खानु बित्तिकै कस्तो भयो के बोल्यो मैले हिजो खाएको अनि हिजो खाने बित्तिकै कस्तो फर्स्ट बाइट दिने बित्तिकै कस्तो पेटै भऱ्यो जस्तो यहाँ बेची नै हुन्छ यार यो त यार खतरा से बनाइदियो यार मैले Damn proud of myself. Nice. I learned something. I think that's the vlog. आजको लागि go and comment down below. हजुरहरूले चाहिँ के बनाउनु घरमा text me my Instagramमा it's right over there somewhere. Right? We can talk about it. I don't know. Share me those stuff. Comment down below. Do vote Artagan. Yeah, support the guy. He should win. My just a vibe that he will win, Madara. Somehow, do vote him. Not a bad idea for Kiko. Keep bad cover. The comedy cast thing. Comedy cow. Okay. Gigi. Take care. Now I need to edit our vlog. Put it to nothing there. So yeah, that's the outro. Outro. अब हजुरले खान पाउनुहुन्न यो यसमा म खाइदिइराख्छु like, share, subscribe.